Hi, this is Ethan Janney, creator of this song sorting GUI, and I'm going to go over some of the features that it exhibits. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is your basic features, which can be seen in this menu. There's three: rearrange, listen, and shift left right. First thing I'm going to talk about is the listening feature. So in order to listen to one of the songs represented by a row, you select listen. If you choose the figure toolbar, you can zoom into any section to get a better look at the data that you're analyzing. And you're going to have to unclick any feature buttons you use in the GUI, in the figure toolbar, so that your cursor works appropriately. So now I can click on any row and I can hear the song represented. And you'll see a small circle that guides you along the file to show you where you are in the sound file. You can also change the speed at which the playback happens. So we have options of a quarter speed, half speed, full speed, or 2 times the speed. If I want to go to half speed, you can get a better sense for what's going on in this particular song. So that was the listen menu. And now let's look at shifting left and right. So I can choose Shift LR, and then I actually have 2 options on how I can perform this shifting. One is with the quick align on, and one is with the quick align off. So you see this other menu appears, you can choose quick align on. Let's try that first. So when the quick align is on, when you turn it on, you get to select a value for where you want the alignment to occur. So here, the default value should be the alignment at which the files have been originally aligned, but you can change this value. So let's say we want to align to 11,000. We'll put that in, and we'll hit OK. And now, for whatever row we click on, the point at which we click will move to that value of 11,000. So for example, if I want this block here to move to 11,000, I'll click on the front of it, and it will shift over here to 11,000 automatically. So there I can easily align similar things very quickly. Another way to perform alignment is with the quick alignment off, and in this case you have to choose the place where the row moves each and every time. So if I want to move any one of these things, I have to click the first point, the point I want to move, and then I click the point where I want that move to. And you can see that shift occurs. I can click the point I want to move and click where it moves to. Click the point I want to move and click where it moves to. Next feature we want to look at is the rearrange feature. Rearrange feature allows you to shift things vertically. Very simply, you just click on the row that you want to move, click the place where you want to move it to, and it will move appropriately. If you click a row that is far away from the original row, then all the rows in between will shift appropriately. Another way to move things in the vertical direction is to use the Move Group button. Move Group button will allow you to move an entire group. So let's say we want to take rows 21 to 27 here and move them to the very beginning. We'll hit the Move Group button. A menu will pop up. So we'll say the first row that we want to move, we said that was 21. We'll enter the last row that we want to move, 27, and then we'll say where we want to move it to. Say we want to move it to row 1. Once we hit OK, you'll see these rows here will jump up to row 1 position, and the remaining rows in between will shift accordingly. And there you go. So those are the basic features of this song sorting GUI. If you have any questions, you can email me, Ethan Janney, at ethankeyboards@gmail.com. That's EATHANKEYBOARDS@gmail.com. Thanks for using it, and if you run into any problems, please let me know as well, and I will fix them.